In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually optimize your Plex movies and TV shows to play on your TV without buffering. For all those of you that already know this feature, please don't come for me. I'm just doing for the people that were asking for it. Because I know some of you will be like, this is an old thing, everyone should know this, but yada yada yada. So first of all, you need to go to Plex on your browser. If you don't go to your browser, you won't find this feature. It's only available on your browser. It's not there on your TV, it's not there on your mobile phone. It's only on your browser. So for instance, let's say I want to optimize the help, this movie, the help right here. I click on these three dots, then I click on optimize. Then you're gonna find these settings right here where you can actually select if you wanna do it for the TV, original quality for mobile. If you want more settings, just click on custom here. Then you're gonna be able to select if you want it for your Android, iOS, TV, and so on. Then here you get to click choose the pixels that you want and the quality of the movie. For instance, if you put 8 megabytes 1080p, probably the quality is going to be a bit lower than 20 megabytes 1080p. Then this is where you actually choose where you want to store it. If you want to store it on the same folder with the original movie, just click this. But if you want to store it in a different folder, in my case, I'll click on a different folder like this. Then I'll click optimize here. Then that's it. Then if I want to check and see the progress and how long it's going to take, I just click here. I actually already have something running here when I was testing. Remove. Okay, this is where you can actually see the progress. If you add another movie, they're just going to line up here. And you're going to see my server, for instance, is going to take 60 minutes for the movie to be optimized. Let's say you didn't get that pop-up or whatsoever reason, you lost that page and you want to go back to check if the progress. Just come here where it says activity, where there's this icon here, activity conversions. Then you're going to see this movie right here. If you want to check your previously optimized movies, let's say it's done, it's going to be moved from here and you're going to find it here. As you can see, Guardians of the Galaxy right here. Let me close this again. Guardians of the Galaxy is optimized. This one is converting right now. Period. Okay, let's say it's done optimizing. For instance, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, I optimized it for the mobile version, right? Let's go to the TV and try and play it there. So on your TV, you need to go to your Plex, of course. Let's say I want to play Guardians of the Galaxy, the optimized version. I go to Guardians of the Galaxy. I go to those same three dots here. Then I'll be like play version. Then I'll play the optimized for mobile. I don't know if you can see. Optimized for mobile, as you can see here. Then I can play this. Then play from start. So it's just gonna play the 720p for the mobile. As you can see, this is 720p for the mobile. Then if I wanna switch back, let's say I wanna play the 4K, I can play the 4K here. This is now the 4K. Done. So there are two things that you need to consider when you're going forward with this method. Point number one, it's electricity. Hear me out, hear me out. Let's say you're using an Intel Celeron, maybe 4th gen computer. Your Intel Celeron might take maybe 24 hours or 48 hours to render this video. It will be using its CPU at 100%, hence, and when a CPU is using like 100% of its capacity, it's going to use so much electricity. So that's constant 100% usage of your computer for like the next 24 hours just to render one movie. So you need to consider that. The second option is time. If you want to watch a movie right now, this is not going to work out for you, because either way, depending on how powerful your server is, it might take 15 minutes, it might take an hour, it might take 24 hours. You are not going to watch it when you click on play. Simple like that. But if you want to play it there and there, please consider this video right here. I actually gave some tips on how to actually stop Plex from buffering. That might work for you because they work for me. If you've got any tips, please don't forget to comment on the comment section below. And if you like this video and it helped, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.